Real MUA hours. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Basauriii. We're gonna get this face beat. First, you're gonna grab this Mario badescu. You're gonna go, and then you're gonna just beat the fuck out of your eyes with this little maroon that I just like stole. I don't really know the name of this. I like to start, and then and then the nose, and then you kind of like hit your forehead, and then this I don't know what store it was, like I don't know if it was even makeup they were selling, to be honest with you, and I just rub it all over. It looks like it was from the kids section. It's a big bullet, and I just took it open, and there's like a black stick, and there's like charcoal or something, and it's darkening my eyes, and we're just gonna do that on both sides. A little on the under eye too, cause it all matters. Don't skip a step. So now I just bent the hell out that thing, and it's sideways now. I'm just gonna run it across my eyebrows. It's like, go from both ends. Don't skip. Definitely don't skip. Get all deep up. Yep.
Right there.
Most people don't, make sure they're even. They both gotta look the same, because you're gonna walk outside looking dumb as hell, and the cashier's gonna notice. All right. Ooh, so this is I think blushes. We're blushing now. And a little rosy, just so it looks like I'm embarrassed all the time. I add a little bit to my forehead as well, because I'm kind of sunburnt. Do it on your other cheek as well, because once again, we're doing the symmetry thing. We're really doing this whole symmetry thing. So I got a bigger broom. This was in the mop section, next to the big mop. It's the big broom. It's which one? Like the Harry Potter, he rides that thing and does the Quidditch. Okay, so now we're gonna do a little freckles. Just go crazy. Keep it like kind of tidy, but also like not too tidy. I'm a little OCD, but we can make this work. Yep, I'm gonna just a few on top, because back to that bouncy ball thing. I'm probably gonna play Foursquare with it later, if anyone wants to be on my team. Yeah, you can buy that on Amazon, because they got everything on Amazon. So this thing I got from, so I decided I'm not moist enough, so I had to spray up a little more. Okay, so I'm gonna just beat this with both sides of my stick, and I'm gonna, see, I'm on my Silver Surfer. A little on the nose, because I'm gleaming from all angles. I'm trying to look like Edward Cullen when he first stepped in the sunlight, and you like really got to see him for who he was. Put the Burt's Bees on, because you crusty. We out here getting less crusty. So now we're gonna add a little color, because I know that's what y'all been waiting on this whole damn time. A little red, whole lot of red. Because what else? Just try to make it look like an arrow. Once again, 2 arrows. Got it. Yep, double check that. And that's the look. It's pretty simple. Yup. 100%. Thanks for watching.